Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, my name is Nurshafka Akilah binti Muhammad Azli, and today for MGT405 I'll be reviewing an article titled A Systematic Review on Privacy-Aware IoT Personal Data Stores by Pinto et al., a journal published in 2024. To get started, let's first understand what IoT actually is. So IoT stands for the Internet of Things, which basically means that everyday objects that can connect to the internet. So examples include smartwatches, smart TVs, smart fridges, door sensors, and even robot vacuums. Now, these devices make life convenient, but they also collect a lot of data. Now that we know that what IoT is, let's see why IoT matters so much in the information system. IoT is important because it affects several major IS areas, such as data governance, where IoT creates huge amount of transfer of personal data, security, every device can be a potential attack point, ethics, issues like consent and surveillance become important, operations, IoT automates processes and improve decision making, and 5, AI integration, where it works closely with AI. Now, IoT has a big impact, but with that impact comes big risks. So these are the overview of Pinto et al., the journal. The article identifies 4 major privacy challenges in IoT system. 1. Excessive data collection. 2. Weak device level security. 3. Cloud storage risk. 4. Lack of global standards. Now let's break down these challenges one by one. Now, let's go to challenge number 1, excessive data collection. IoT devices collect continuous detailed behavioral data, often more than needed. Users typically don't know what data is collected, can't see it, and can't control it. And this creates serious privacy concerns. Now, if data collection is already a problem, the next challenge makes things even riskier. Challenge number 2, weak device level security. Many IoT devices are simply not designed for strong security. They often have no update mechanisms, hard-coded passwords, outdated firmware, and low-power hardware that can't support real encryption. Now, Pinto described these devices as forever vulnerable. Since device-level weaknesses are dangerous, the next challenge focuses on the cloud, where most IoT data ends up. Now, challenge 3, cloud storage and centralization. Most IoT data flows to large vendor-controlled cloud servers. This creates single points of failure, massive breach potential, and very limited transparency on how data is stored or shared. One attack can expose millions of users. And if cloud risks weren't enough, the next issue shows how the entire IoT industry lacks proper rules. Challenge number 4, lack of global standards. Different IoT companies follow different privacy rules. This leads to inconsistent securities, fragmented systems, and almost no global governance. Without standards, it becomes extremely difficult to enforce accountability. So after identifying all these challenges, what solutions did the article propose? Let's look at the next slide. Now, here are the key solutions identified in the article. 1. Personal data stores, PDS. Users keep and control their own data. 2. Edge computing. Data is processed locally, not sent to the cloud. 3. Lightweight cryptography. Security designed specifically for small devices. Now, 4. Blockchain transparency. Immutable logs that track data access. And 5. AI-based anomaly detection. Detect suspicious behavior early. These solutions help strengthen IoT system, and they inspired my own recommendations. Now, based on the article and information system principles, here is what I would suggest. Number 1, privacy by design. We should build IoT systems with privacy included from the start. Number 2, unified global IoT security standards. We need a global framework, something a GDPR for IoT. Number 3, mandatory security updates, like manufacturers should be responsible for long-term device support. And 4th, user cybersecurity education, where people should learn basic digital safety skills. And number 5, human-centered consent. We're making consent simple, visual, and multilingual. With recommendations in place, let's wrap up everything that we have learned today. In a nutshell, IoT is incredibly powerful but also vulnerable. This article by Pinto et al. 2024 shows that IoT privacy issues are structural, widespread, and getting more serious. By connecting the article to core information system ideas, we can see that solving IoT privacy requires better engineering, stronger governance, smarter design, and more educated users. And then, thank you so much for listening. I hope this presentation made IoT more understandable, more practical, and a little bit more fun. I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, everyone.